In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. What is the most important thing ever for a human being, for us? What should be, rather, what must be our top priority in the life? Whatever deserves our first preference, our struggle, our effort, our endeavor, more than anything else, that is called managing oneself. We are trying to manage so many of the things. A human being is found juggling with so many of the things. Some of these things are by compulsion. We did not opt for it. We did not choose it for our struggle, for our effort, for our management. Rather, since we are alive, we do have to face it, we do have to encounter it, and we do have to manage it. Now there are good number of things like this one. And then there are certain other things which we choose by choice, which we do choose ourselves, which are taken by choice, not by compulsion. We do have to manage both of these things. We do have to manage, we do have to juggle with both of these things. Now, if at all we are working enough to manage ourselves properly, it becomes quite easy for us. It becomes far more easy to manage the things which are not taken by choice, which were compulsory and mandatory. And then there we do succeed in managing quite well the things which are taken by choice, the things which are optional and elective. We succeed in managing well the both of these things, provided we are working enough to manage ourselves, and it has become a kind of top priority, a kind of first preference to be able to manage ourselves well, because we are a sort of vehicle. We have to sort of we are a sort of vehicle, and we have to carry the load of the thing which are optional, and we do have to carry the load of the things which are not optional, which are compulsory and mandatory. And if at all we are psychologically healthy, we are physically healthy, this means that we have succeeded in managing ourselves well. We need to become psychologically healthy first of all. Why? Because we cannot become a healthy person physically if at all we are not healthy psychologically. So becoming a psychologically healthy person, I think it is more important than anything else. I think it is out of the fitness as well, out of the self management as well. The psychological fitness, stands first. It is again the top priority to manage ourselves psychologically well. If at all we are, unfortunately, if at all we are not psychologically healthy, believe me or not, each and every organ of our body gets negatively affected. If at all we are unable to manage ourselves well, if at all we are unable to become psychologically healthy person, it is impossibly difficult to stay a physically healthy person for a longer period of time. It is not possible, it is impossibly difficult. So that is why, out of the self management, out of the managing oneself, out of the physical, out of the fitness, out of the health, the psychological health is far more important than the physical health. Because if at all we are psychologically healthy, it becomes very easy for us, it becomes very comfortable for us, it helps us a lot in becoming the physically healthy person. Vice versa are quite contrary to that. If at all, unfortunately, we are not psychologically healthy person, it is impossibly difficult to become a physically healthy person. Each and every organ of our body each and every organ of us gets negatively affected if at all we are not psychologically healthy person. It becomes impossibly difficult to stay healthy in physical terms. So what is the crux of psychological health? Because we can't go into the detail in this video because there are so many points to cover. What is what is there something, is there one thing alone which can ensure the psychological health of a person? Is there anything else? Yes, there is one. Fortunately, there is only one thing. There is one thing which, if at all we do succeed in cultivating, if at all we do succeed in becoming a person like that, it makes us psychologically healthy person, and that is called positive thinking. That is optimism with a bit of practicability. Positive thinking, positive thinking, positive thinking with a bit of practicability. Be slightly practical as well. So having done the two of these things, positive thinking 90%, be a bit practical 10%, but these 10% are compulsory. These 10% are a must as well. So this means that the person is a psychologically healthy person. And if then we need to become physically healthy, if at all we are here to manage ourselves well, we need to become physically healthy person as well. How to become a physically healthy person? Diet. Whatever we think is our mental food, and we have talked about it, it must be good. Positive thinking. Whatever we put into our stomach, it is also important, very important. If we eat healthy, we stay healthy. If we eat unhealthy, we are eating junk food and not giving proper sleep to ourselves. Positive thinking, proper sleep, healthy food, not junk food. A bit of exercise on a daily basis. Somewhat discipline, be a self-disciplined person. It is managing ourselves well. I have tried to cover the main points without going into the minute details which were not feasible and possible at the moment. Learn to manage oneself well. Thank you.